Good morning, thanks for joining me today. We have a 2014 Mini Cooper S, John Cooper Works, and this is a long-time customer of ours, great customer, but one day the car just wouldn't start. It actually started off, it wouldn't start intermittently, and then now it won't start at all. So we figured it out. It's basically a bad CAS module. The CAS module is what reads the signal from the key when you put the key in ignition. It's a computer and it's in a tight little spot. It's under the dash. When we order this part, it has to, well, it's VIN number specific first of all. It has to be coded from the manufacturer, so it requires the customer's driver's license and registration, and they both have to match up and be current as well. This is what the new CAS module looks like here. Anytime we order one of these modules, we always order it with a new set of keys. There's a specific part number that comes with CAS and keys, and the reason why is we were having an issue just replacing the CAS only, and they were having a hard time pairing with the new keys, and we ended up having to replace the CAS again with the new keys because it's its own part number and they're coded directly from the manufacturer together. So now we do that. Now, as you can see, we already have the dash apart. I've already taken everything apart. And the reason why I did this before, because I wasn't planning on doing a video, we were actually diagnosing it, and we kind of figured it out as one of those things where we just had to go for it. So to be honest, I didn't even think about making a video about it until right now. I thought it's pretty good information, and I think it's pretty interesting too to kind of see what's going on. It's a little technical, but it's kind of cool to see what's going on behind the dash, and we'll kind of do it in reverse. We'll go back together with it. But the CAS module is actually underneath this top cover of the dash. It sits under there. There's a connector for it. You can see right in there. There's a wiring harness connector and a ribbon cable connector. That ribbon cable connector goes directly to the receptacle for the key right here. So that data gets read by this key holder slot, and it goes through the ribbon cable to that little computer. Once it reads the key and says, okay, this is the right key, it sends that data to the engine control module, which then allows power to go to the starter motor, and then you can drive your car. And this car is just so much fun. It's a stick shift as well. It's an older lady, and she likes to have fun. Sometimes I'll go on a road test on another customer's car, and I'll see her riding around in this thing. So I always joke, I said, if you ever sell it, let me know, because I want to buy it off you. And she says, I get that all the time. I go to the gas station, all the young men come up to me and they want to buy my car. These John Cooper Works models, they have a little bit more power. Suspension is a little more aggressive. It's set up for a little more sportier feel. And then it has trim package. It has an aero package kind of kit in the front a little bit. They're really nice. Here on the passenger side, we have the airbag. I'm bolting down right now. I just realized that I put the wrong screw in on the other side. It's a black one. There's only two of these chrome colored ones, and they go up there. I did this job. I took this apart about 3 weeks ago, and we were waiting for the part from the dealer for all that time. So now I have to kind of remember where everything goes, and sometimes I forget. drop the bolt for the tachometer down in here. So I'll use a magnet. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if we can go on the back side here. Nice. A lot of time there's some hidden screws, like this one goes deep down in here at an angle on both sides. If you don't know about it, you'll be breaking some stuff. I bet you're wondering if I replace that screw. Okay, everything's back together here. I'm gonna transfer the blades from the old keys to the new keys. Okay, so this should start. You know, this car's been sitting for 3 weeks. The battery might not be up for it, so let's see what it does. Will the key turn on? No, battery's dead. It's gone. Okay, let me charge the battery and try this again. Okay, here we go. The rule for the positive is first on, last off. Let's connect it to this one here. There we go. Let that sit for about an hour and we'll try it again. Okay, let's try this again. All right, we got some stuff happening here. Got some warning lights on. Well, let's just see if it starts first. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. So I'm gonna hook it up to the computer and see what's going on here. Actually, let's see what the board computer says. Let's go in here. I think that's because the battery was low. That's why that's on. If the battery's low on these minis, this light will come on. It also come on if the brakes are due, but it'll be red. Okay, I checked everything else. The windows work too. The one touch up, one touch down, everything works. The remotes work from the outside, so that's good. So before I drive it, I want to check tire pressures, all the fluids and stuff before we take it on the road. Be a good idea to make sure the keys work from the outside here. Lock, unlock, okay, for that one. This one here. Lock, unlock. Yeah, it works good. It doesn't have comfort access, so I don't need to worry about the little button here. It doesn't have the little door in the back to replace the battery. Pretty straightforward. All right, everything feels really good on this thing. There's no abnormal warning lights on. There was no codes that I needed to take care of. All the features are working on here. The radio, the stereo, windows, sunroof, all this stuff in here is working great. So I appreciate you guys joining me on this video today and on this little journey, putting this thing back together and learning a little bit about how things work on these cars. These minis are really fun cars. I appreciate it if you like and subscribe and also share this video. And you know, I do a lot of these and stay tuned for more. So I will see you on the next one. Happy motoring to you.